Hello to everyone. I respond to Sabine Hossenfelder on the 5 biggest physics mysteries.
Today, I present the 5 biggest physics mysteries, according to me. Number 5. Einstein's theories don't forbid faster than light travel. We just don't know how to cross from speeds below the speed of light to above. Is it possible? And if so, how? Number 4. Time seems to have a direction. We know that that's because entropy increases, but that means the universe must have started out at small entropy. Why? Number 3. Just what's a measurement? Physicists say if it measures something, we call it a measurement, but that doesn't explain anything. Number 2. Koida's formula is the relation between the masses of 3 elementary particles, the electron, the muon, and the tau, that comes out 2/3 to an accuracy of 5 digits after the point. Coincidence? I don't think so. Number 1. Just why do things have units? Time, length, energy, mass. What are they? Are units the difference between maths and reality? Does that make any sense? If you find out, let me know. Today, I present the 5 biggest.
Sabine Hossenfelder is a German theoretical physics author and science communicator specializing in quantum gravity. Hello Sabine, the 5 biggest mystery of physics. In this short video, I will answer 2 of the 5 questions she raised. I will respond to the third question, what is measurement, and to the first question, units. These 2 questions are linked together. The third question is, what is a measurement? I explained this in my film Great Pyramid Key 2019. What is a measurement of volume, mass, energy, length, speed, etc., etc. All measurements have an origin, apparent, which is length. All lengths in this world, on this planet, and in the universe are arbitrary, or more precisely, variable. Except for one, an absolute, invariable length. It is universal, and thanks to this length, we have developed our technology, train, planes, rocket, electricity, car, the internet, computers, and YouTube. Without this length, there would be no computer, no data center, and no YouTube. This length is called the centimeter. The centimeter, the root of matrix of our universe, where Earth resides, it was discovered in Africa, in Egypt, by the Africans at least 2700 BC, here in Saqqara. The Great Pyramid is constructed with the metric system, so look here the equation. Calculating probability thanks to Kolmogorov, this is not hazardous. This is the mathematical average of the length of diameters of drop of pure water. This length, the 1 centimeter, is the mathematical average diameter of droplets of pure water. This average length, which we call now the centimeter, forms a Gaussian curve climbing exponentially toward infinity as more measurements are added. More measurements can be added at any time after 2 days, 2 years, 20 years, or 500 years. This reveals the length, the centimeter, an absolute length and not relative or arbitrary length. With this universal length, we have built all our physics, all our units of physics. The International System of Units, SI, derive from this length. All the other units, units of volume, mass, energy, temperature, speed, force, pressure, frequency, etc., comes from the meter, which comes from the centimeter. I have made many videos on the metric system. This video, this one, I invite you to look at the new structure of the unit of measurement of physics. The second, the Celsius, Kelvin, candela, the kilogram, the ampere, the mole, joule, watt, Newton. All these units of measurement come from the centimeter. The centimeter can be mathematically placed on a decimal position system by 10 multiplied by 10 again, which will give what we call today the meter, or we called in French the master. It sounds different in French. This is called applied mathematics. Mathematics now can be applied in real physics. The centimeter divided by 10 gives the millimeters. Divided again by 10 and again by 10 to infinity by 10, this gave us the absolute length which is created the universe, matter and energy. The unit which now stabilize the universe, in this case the Earth. Today we measure with the universal absolute unit the centimeter, the meter. The next one, the meter, the metric system, doesn't exist without the decimal positional system. I specify positional and not addition. This is also discovered in Egypt at the same time as the meter 100 or 200 years earlier. I made a documentary film on this discovery of the decimal position system. Without the decimal position system, no mathematics, no meter, no physics, no chemistry, no development, humanity remain at the primitive stage. 2700 BC at Saqqara, with the pyramid of Djoser, the Egyptians did for the first time applied mathematics in physics. The metric system, as it described as a discovery of the French Revolution, it is not correct. The French did not discover a metric system, but only deployed it publicly and will become the unit of measurement for all. The definition of the meter is based on the Earth meridian until 1983. It is also incorrect. Since to measure the circumference of the Earth, the arc of the meridian, a unit of length is needed. The circumference was measured with another unit because the meter does not exist in 1719. It is called the toise, or in French, la toise. Once measured, this length cannot be converted with another unit that does not exist. It is a simple rule of three of the conversion. We call it cross-product rule. We can do the conversion of unit only with units, product, that exist and not with unit or product that do not exist. We cannot convert the circumference measured in toise into meter because the meter does not exist in 1719. The unit of the second is defined on the length. This unit of time exists if the length exists. It is not the speed that defines the length. The imperial system is a derivative of the metric system too. Math. 8 divided by 340 equal 2.54. Then 2.54 will be graduated on the meter. 2.54 centimeters. 2.54 centimeters equal, let's recall this, inch. This is the imperial system. Then 1 inch we will multiply by 12 equal 1 foot. 1 foot we will multiply by 3 equal 1 yard. So Sabine, if you have question, comment or exchange, write to me. I will answer you with pleasure. Thanks and best regards.